Welcome back to Sia TV and your update for the week of September 2nd. We'll start off with development updates, which as always we draw from Sia's public GitLab. 4 issues were closed, 6 issues were created, and 14 new pieces of code were merged into the core code base. Contributors included Chris and Matt from the Sia team, and from the community we had Shatners, Neil Castine, and T-Benz9. And Sia version 1.3.4 was released. It features corrected reporting of the renter financials, support for simultaneous streaming of multiple files, first steps of the UI overhaul, the ability to cancel specific file contracts, and multiple other bug fixes and improvements. We are really proud of this release and hope it serves you well. Don't hesitate to email hello@sia.tech or let us know in Discord if you run into any issues. Chris added the new address filter, a way for Sia to check if you are forming multiple contracts with the same person or entity and avoid that. Matt improved the code for the recent renter contract cancel API endpoint. It will now form the new replacement contract immediately after the renewal. And community contributors Shatners, Niels Castine, and T-Benz9 have corrected multiple typos and outdated info in the documentation. Thanks guys! Discord mod Hakane, author of siastats.info, built Decentralizer, a tool that analyzes your contract set against a geographic database and allows you to eliminate contracts which share a geographic region. It's similar to the address filter tool in 1.3.4, and Decentralizer can be used for the contracts you've already formed as an additional weapon in the fight for decentralization. And finally, we just posted the community update for August. Get an in-depth look at the latest at Sia from the last month of the summer. And that's it for today guys, thank you so much for watching, we will see you next time.